Deltalake is great for small and big data. It's better to store a small dataset in Deltalake tables, so you can take advantage of features like schema enforcement, schema evolution, file skipping, the change data feed, deletion vectors, and easy access to DML operations like merge. For large datasets, Deltalake is great for all the aforementioned features plus infinite scalability. You can store gigabytes, hundreds of terabytes or petabytes in a Delta table. Deltalake is way cheaper than other options for big tables. You just pay for cloud storage. Deltalake saves you money in many ways. 1. It's a free, open source format, based on Parquet. It's not a proprietary format that you need to pay for. 2. Delta tables can be optimized. Small file compaction, Z-ordering, etc., so your queries run faster. When your queries run faster, then you pay less on compute. 3. Deletion vectors let you perform DML operations. Delete, update, merge, much faster. If your delete operation runs 100x faster, then you pay 100x less compute. 4. It's easy to remove legacy files from storage with vacuum. This minimizes storage costs and using object storage much cheaper rather than any database. Don't forget the best one. If you make a mistake, you can roll back to a previous version. To recover a table is a real pain. Please keep in mind that with all these features, the cost effectiveness of a data lake depends on how well it is designed, implemented, and managed while reaping the benefits of flexibility and scalability. Please like, share and comments. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.